This job for junior DevOps engineer is at TransPerfect in Sydney, Australia. TransPerfect is a family of companies which offers a full range of language and business solutions such as translation and language services, website and software localization, multicultural marketing, legal support, and a lot of other things. As I said, this job is based in Sydney and it works on hybrid model. And in order to be successful in this job, you need to know the AWS inside out, plus some of the DevOps things such as CI/CD, Terraform, how to build Amazon machine images via Packer or and Ansible. You should also be aware of some of the deployment and orchestration technologies such as Docker or maybe a bit of Kubernetes if you know, and then you should be aware of how Linux CLI works and how you can use Git and what is CI/CD pipelines. So if you think this job is as per your skills and you are looking to get an entry level thing in DevOps, then maybe this might be a good perfect. So for the application, go to TransPerfect's website and then apply directly from their website. Thank you very much.